Hello and welcome to another video of converting infix to prefix expression. In the previous videos, I've explained about various rules to convert infix to prefix expressions. So if you have any doubt while watching these videos, you can just refer to the rules to check whether we are doing it the right way or not. So first we will take this infix expression and I will convert this into prefix expression using a direct method, and then I will show it using a stack. So here, as we can see here, A plus B star C. First I will write down precedence and associativity here, right? So precedence, the first precedence is for exponential and its associativity is from right to left. Second precedence is multiplication and division, its associativity would be from left to right, and the third precedence would be plus and minus its associativity would be from again left to right. So here, as we can see, first look at this expression and we can see there is a plus operator and a multiplication operator, correct? So here, as we can see, multiplication operator has greater precedence than the plus operator, therefore we need to solve this sub expression first, correct? So this is operand 1, this is operand 2, B is operand 1 and C is operand 2. Therefore here, to convert infix to prefix, we just put the operator before operand 1. So where B is operand 1 and C is operand 2, we just put multiplication before operand 1. So I'll say here A plus star B C, correct? So this multiplication has been evaluated. Now the only operator that is left is plus. Therefore A becomes operand 1, this whole thing becomes operand 2, and plus becomes our operator. Therefore we will place plus besides or before operand 1. So here plus A star BC would be our prefix expression. This is using direct method. So how do we do it using a stack, correct? So how do we do it using a stack? So I'll just draw a line like this. I will say here input, stack, and output. Now using a stack, first, whenever we have this expression like this, using a stack, first I need to reverse this expression, reverse it completely. So here C, I'll write C here, I'll write here star, I'll write here B plus A, right? B plus A. So for a convenience sake, I will just write this reversed expression here, C star B plus A, and we need to use this expression for the stack, right? C star B plus A, correct? Now let us see each and every token from left to right. The first token is C. As we have seen in postfix, C is a operand, therefore we directly write it in the output. So one thing is that if you have missed looking at infix to postfix, please look at those videos and you will understand it much better, right? So C is an operand, so I will directly put it into the output. So the point is that only if you encounter an operator, you push it into the stack, otherwise you write it as it is here, right? C, then comes star, star is an operator, so I will push it into the stack here. I will write C as it is. Then comes B is an operand, so I will write C B. Then comes plus. Now plus is an operator, star is an operator, right? According to the rules which we have seen in the previous videos, if the incoming operator has less precedence than the operator in the stack, right? The operator in the stack is multiplication, the incoming operator is plus, then we pop this operator out of the stack, right, and then push plus into the stack. This is one rule. This is one rule which we have seen in the videos where I have explained about the various rules, right? If the incoming operator has less precedence than the operator in the stack, then we pop the operator in the stack and then push the operator push the incoming operator into the stack, right? After plus, I have A now, right? The operator in the stack is just plus. I will say C, B, star, A. Now we have evaluated this whole expression. This expression has been evaluated completely, right? Therefore, the operator that is left in the stack is plus. We pop this operator out of the stack. So I can just write plus here. Now, this is not my prefix expression, right? This is not my prefix expression. I need to reverse it. So here I reverse this expression. I will write first plus A star B C, correct? This is my prefix expression, which is exactly the same as that of this expression. So this is using stack, this is using stack, and this we have done it using this direct method, correct? Direct method, right? There are various rules for this. I have clearly made videos of various rules. You can watch those videos to get a clearer understanding. Okay, so we will move on to the next expression. Let us look at this expression. We want to convert this infix expression into prefix expression. So we will solve it first using direct method. Using direct method again I will write the precedence. I will write PREC here and associativity. So here first precedence is exponential, its associativity right to left. Second precedence is star and division left to right. Third is plus and minus left to right, correct? Let us do this first using direct method. So using direct method, we need to solve the parenthesis first. Therefore this will be solved first. So here plus will go to the left of A. Prefix, right? Prefix means that we need to put the operator to the left of the operand 1, right? So where operand 1 is A and operand 2 is B. So I'll say here plus AB, then I'll say here star C. Now this becomes our operand 1, this becomes our operand 2. I will place multiplication to the left of operand 1. I'll say here star plus AB C. This is my prefix expression for this infix expression. Now let us do this using our stack method. So I'll say here input, I'll say here stack, and I'll say here output, correct? Output, and then I will first, as I told you, using stack you need to reverse the expression, reverse. So I will reverse this expression here at the top. C, now please listen carefully, and please look here carefully how I am reversing. C, I will write C as it is. I will say here star, and then the bracket, I will write the bracket as it is here, and then I will say here B plus A, and then the open bracket. This is my reversed expression, and we will scan this reversed expression from left to right. So the first token is basically here C, this token C here. C is not an operator. I will place it directly in the output. Then comes our star. I will push it into the stack. I will write C as it is. Then comes the close bracket. The close bracket, where should I write the close bracket? After the multiplication operator, I will write C as it is here. Then comes B. I will write star close C B. Then comes plus. So after the closing bracket, there is no operator. Therefore, I will say here star and then plus C B. Then comes here A, correct? A, I will say here star close plus C B A, correct? Then comes here, then comes our open bracket, right? I will open the bracket here, star close bracket plus open C B A, right? Once I have done this, whenever you encounter a close and an open bracket, you just pop all the operators inside those brackets, right? So I have only one here, one operator, so I will pop out plus. Once I pop out plus, I have only the star operator. So now I have actually scanned through the whole expression, and the only operator that is left is the star operator. So I will write it, I will pop it at the end, right? So now this is not my prefix expression, I need to reverse this. So I will say here star plus a b c, right? So this is my prefix expression, which actually is exactly the same as that we have done using the direct method, right? I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, I would like you to please like, you can subscribe, and you can also share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section as well. Bye bye.